All right, guys, so today we're gonna be checking out the homes at Shady Trails. We're gonna be going over the Birch Bend homes. Tri Point's actually the builder for this home. We're gonna give you an overall shot of what it looks like to live in this community. Great amenities, has this park right here. You got a dog park, you got a place for kids to play. You have, all these grills are right here. So really, really nice community, guys. Super big. They have pools, they have everything that you need here at this community. And it's also gated. Right now it's not gated because there are building, but typically it is going to be closed off. So again, we're in the city of Fontana, Shady Trails. Let's check them out. All right, guys, so the ones that we're checking out right now are gonna be attached condos. So they're attached, they're all together, kind of clumped up, but really nice on the inside. Let's go check them out. So do like the space they have in master bath is super cool. This is gonna be the floor plan that is also just single story, garages in the bottom. So this one is a 2-bedroom, fairly cheap. It's gonna be around like the 470s, 480s starting point. So great entry home, guys. If you're looking to get started at an amazing community, Birch Bend, this could be it right here. So really cute home. All right, guys, so we just checked out plan 1. We're gonna go into plan 4 now. This is gonna be the bigger boy here. So that's what it looks like. Let's check it out. So I really like the feel of this one, like right when you walk in. The other one had that kind of stairs going up. This is plan 4. This is gonna be the bigger one. Like you feel really good when you walk into it. They are attached, so they are sharing walls, but this one's really nice actually. Let's see what it looks like over here. Like this master here. They got a walk-in closet right behind me there. Full bath there. I mean, this is it. Let's see what else they got over here. We got a little dark there. I do like those rails. All right, so we have plan 2, plan 3, and plan 5. They're all gonna be together. Now, master looks great in this one. My favorite part of this one is gonna be the little loft area they have here. It's 4 bedrooms. Great spot just to kind of hang out. I personally be playing video games in there, so This one actually might be my favorite one, even though I do like the entrance of the other plan. When you walk in, ooh, bird did some work right there. Let's go check out the next one. So even though this one's probably, plan 3 is probably my favorite master, I still like that little loft area up top, personally. All right, guys, we got one more to go. Let's check them out. I'm going quick here. I do like this one when you walk in, just because they have like the separation of kitchen, dining room area, and then living room area. And then you do get a little bit bigger of a patio just because it's at the end. So this one's plan 5. Let's check out the top. So I gotta say, the ones with the loft, definitely my favorite. Has a little balcony area here, but check out that loft. You got the rest of the bedrooms here, and then you got the master all the way down. Plan 5. All right, guys, so there goes the homes on Birch Bend at Shady Trails in the city of Fontana. If you're looking to get into one of these, just remember they range from high 400s to low to mid 500s, depending on what you're looking for. Those are attached, but great community overall. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are looking to get into one of those homes, guys, please feel free to reach out. There's going to be a link in our description to be able to book a 15-minute call with us. Click that link, book the call. Let's get you into one of these homes. And also, if you want to just take a look and have a search on what's available for new builds, there's also going to be a link there. And then there's also going to be a link if you want to check out homes that are resale. We also do a lot of resale ourselves. That's how our team started, was with resale. And then we just kind of gradually moved on to the new build just because we know them so well. Guys, please don't forget, share this video with somebody, subscribe, like it. I'll see you on the next one. SoCal Cedeno out.